Hey everyone, I ordered this kit for doing some maintenance. Now this is a home maintenance kit, and I happen to have a John Deere X320 lawn tractor with a 48-inch mower deck and a power blower on it. And I bought it last spring, almost a year ago, and I'm going to do the maintenance on it this year, which is going to be like an oil change, air filter, fuel filter, and new spark plugs. To that end, I bought this kit. Now for my particular mower, it is, the kit number is LG249, all right? And this comes with a pre-filter, a primary air filter, one oil filter, one fuel filter, 2 spark plugs, and 2 quarts of John Deere Turf-Gard engine oil. Let's unbox this and see how it looks. Now obviously, when I get to going to do the work on the tractor, I will certainly post a video of that. I'm probably still a couple of weeks away from that. But I wanted to have this kit just to make sure we could get the maintenance done on it. All right. This is how it looks when you open it. You got your 2 spark plugs, fuel filter, air filter with a pre-filter, your oil filter, and your 2 quarts of oil right here. So this is something I'm looking forward to doing. I want to keep things up to date on the tractor. It's an older tractor I bought last year, but it is what it is, right? And I'll take you through this little journey, and when I'm ready to put this together and install it, and we'll see how it goes. But keep your eyes open. These are for different tractors. In this particular case, it's for the GX 255 X320, what I have. X324, X360, X530, X534, and Z445, and a Z465. I guess they must have all the same engine in it. So I appreciate you sticking with me here. Stay tuned and be on the lookout for the video where I actually do the home maintenance. Take care.